Okay, aunties, time to do your thing.
Please make it work, please.
Okay, aunties, that's enough.
Wonderful. He's not hiccuping. Oh, this is pointless. I'm never going to get my picnic.
Maybe we can shake the hiccups out of Sun.